Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the personalizations. As you can see at this section at the very top, we've got the wallpapers, so let's tap, and here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from the photos, and it is actually your own gallery, so obviously you will pick your photo or some images downloaded, and you will be able to set them as a wallpaper, but also from the static wallpapers and live wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed options. So let me pick something from static wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So if you want to set the wallpaper, if you want to check the preview of it, simply tap on it. So let me pick this one. As you can see, it will appear at on the full screen, so you will be able to check how it will look like, and if you are happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I think I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we just got back to the album, so let's check the home page, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Let's check also the lock screen, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.